Understanding key employees, their role and importance in a business. In today's business landscape, the term key employee represents a defining archetype in the hierarchy of any organization. These individuals wield significant influence over a company's direction, its operations, and, as a result, its overall success. Understanding who key employees are, their roles, and their impacts on the organization is vital for employers and stakeholders alike. Definition of key employee. A key employee is typically distinguished by their major ownership stake, often exceeding 5%, or their decision-making authority within the business. They are generally well compensated through high salaries and additional benefits, which serve both to attract talented individuals into the company and to encourage them to stay. The Internal Revenue Service, IRS, also utilizes the term key employee in the context of company-sponsored defined contribution retirement plans. Under the IRS guidelines, a key employee can be defined as 1. An employee who owns more than 5% of the business. 2. An employee receiving a substantial annual compensation. The IRS sets thresholds that can change over time. 3. An officer of the company with compensation exceeding a certain amount. Importance of key employees. Key employees are often considered the backbone of any organization. Their impact can be seen across various dimensions. 1. Capital and revenue generation. Key employees frequently have strong connections within the industry, allowing them to secure capital or forge partnerships that are vital for the business's growth. For example, a key employee might be a top-performing salesperson whose efforts directly contribute to a significant portion of the company's revenue stream. 2. Public representation. Many key employees embody the company's brand and values. They often interact with stakeholders, clients, and the media, representing the public face of the business. This visibility can bolster customer loyalty and attract investment, underscoring their value beyond mere operational roles. 3. Internal infrastructure. Not all key employees have visible external roles. For instance, a chief scientist developing innovative products is integral to the company's future revenue generation, even if their contributions are less visible to the public. Their expertise and innovation can touch every aspect of product development and operational efficiency. Compensation and benefits for key employees. Given their critical role in the organization, compensation structures for key employees are often distinct from those of typical staff members. Here are some of the ways employers might tailor compensation and benefits for these crucial team members. 1. Monetary incentives. Key employees frequently receive higher salaries, performance bonuses, and additional financial rewards linked to their contributions to the company's success. Such incentives align their performance with the organization's financial outcomes, fostering a sense of shared purpose. 2. Enhanced retirement options. Employers may also provide key employees exclusive retirement savings options, ensuring that they are well prepared financially for the future. This can include higher contribution limits to retirement accounts or access to specialized pension plans. 3. Work-life balance benefits. To keep key employees engaged and satisfied, companies might offer lifestyle benefits, such as flexible working arrangements, additional vacation days, or wellness programs. These benefits can have a substantial influence on employee satisfaction and retention. Special considerations regarding key employees. Employers must also navigate specific legal and contractual obligations concerning key employees. For example, while the Family and Medical Leave Act, FMLA, protects many employees' jobs during medical leave, some key employees, especially those in the top 10% of salary earners, may not be automatically reinstated depending on the company's situation. This legal nuance requires careful policy creation and communication to ensure that all parties understand their rights and responsibilities. Conclusion. Key employees are vital to a company's success and sustainability. Their significant influence over operations, capital generation, and public representation makes them indispensable assets. Companies must recognize this value and tailor compensation, benefits, and policies to not only attract but also retain these essential team members. By understanding and addressing the unique needs of key employees, organizations can create an environment that fosters loyalty, productivity, and growth.